One Piece OP16 English edition by single box round number 12. Let us sail. Let us sail. How many times? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and right there is 8 times to match our 8 pips. Get the sheet printed, and let's see what else is hiding in our One Piece breaks. Okay, best of luck, everybody. Ugh. Here we go. We got Vista on the number 1, Luffy on the number 4, and there's our first Dawn. Dawn! There's Ace. We got Bon on the number 5, and there's Sakazuki on the number 5. I still don't know what the X in the bottom right corner means for the set. I still have no clue what it means. Oh shoot. Some more Kingdom Hearts. There's ha 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 number 6, and Wolf on the number 6. Yamato on the number 7, and there's Mr. 3, Galdino. Galdino. Is this the last English box? No. I actually need to take proper count of how many we have left, but 13's in the store. We got Kobe on the number 4, and there is Teach on the secret rare. We'll say Teach is the better performer, so I think that Marshall D. Teach deck is going to be doing some numbers. I mean, the fact that it makes all of your opponent's cards cost 1 more for the leader card, kind of ridiculous. Kind of ridiculous. Again, the number 9 for the secret rare hit right there. Mango. Adabango. There we got Bug and a Clown number 1. Sengoku on the number 7. And there's Momo. Kozuki Momonosuke. Momonosuke. Very difficult for me to say, man. Very, very crazy, man. Odin. Marco on the number 4, and there's Nami on the number 1. Little Oars Jr. on the number 7, and there's Kinemon. Samurai of Wano on the number 2. That is IYC with the number 2. Mark the Shark said, it's manga time. Manga de Luffy on the number 4, and Vasco on the 0 for the rare. Damn, 2 great songs back to back. There's that Teach leader I was talking about. Opponent's turn, all your characters gain +1 cost. Just rude. Very rude. Moby Dick, number 1. And there is Monkey D. Luffy on the number 5 for the rare. Yamato on the number 6. And there is Bogey. That's number 8 on the SR. Going out to Bryce Peterson. Katarina, number 4, and Prisoners of Rioting on the number 8. Bug the Clown, number 1 on the leader. Katarina, number 4, followed by Ben Beckman on the number 2. Swagalino on the number 3, and Monka de Luffy on the number 5. Mr. 1 on the number 4, and there's Monkey D. Luffy on the number 5 on the SR. SR going out to Mango Bango. Momo on the number 5, in case you want to see what the normal card looks compared to the alt art right there. And number 8 on the rare. Let's go to the Navy headquarters. Peach on the leader 0. There's Nico Robin. Yamato on the number 6. And Little Oars Jr. on the number 7. Katarina number 4. And oh my god! Oh, I was not expecting the manga. You really did call it, Mark. Holy hell. And we get that beautiful Halo 3 music playing right here. Holy crap. Mark, you also called it for you. You didn't just call the manga, you called your manga. Oh my god. Kuzan. It's got the power of ice. Hot diggity damn. So that's my first manga hit. Dude, I'm telling you, full blown. Most One Piece collectors will never, ever hit a manga. So, first of all, massive grats on that, man. Second of all, dude, you called it. You called it. Room's been on fire today, man. Room's been on fire today. Something's in the air, bro. Something is definitely in the air. Haven't had a wall like this in a long time. Sengoku on the 0. Kuzan on number 3, and Ivankov on the SR number 6. Battle said, my heart. Did you think it was a Borsellino battle? Number 6 on the SR. Yeah, it's that Gemini birthday magic right there, Mark. You saw the manga, you looked at the border of the manga before looking at the character. Then we got number 1, and Katarina number 4 in the rare. Holy crap, man, I gotta... Yeah, getting a manga made me a little warm. Made me a little warm. Shoot! Swagalino on number 3. Traffy on the 0, and there's our second Dawn. There's our second Dawn. I said it earlier, Mark. You didn't win the league game, but you're definitely winning a night. There's Yamato on the number 9. There we have 0 and 2. Shoot, man, this song's messing me up. I remember in middle school, I was in an orchestra. I was playing the violin, and this was like one of the first songs I taught myself how to play. Love that song so much from Halo. Older Brother Marine. Jimbei on the number 7, we got an SR of Newgate. SR Newgate. And time for some last pack magic. Already quite a magical box. Let's see if there's anything left in store. Prisoner of Impel down number 2, and the prisoners are rioting. It's kind of funny to have those two cards right next to each other, no? It's kind of hilarious. We do have a random for our 2 Dawn. Top 2 spots after the random. Get it. Good luck, folks. On the die, it calls for 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I say 8? I did say 8. 6, 7, and there is 8 times. IYC and Mango getting the Dawn. IYC and Mango. Gosh, man. Casual $1,200 card right there in front of us. Say the numbers as we see them, starting with the SRs. We got 3, 6, 5, 8, 2, 6, and 5. We have the secret rare of Teach. Number 9. We got the alt art of Momo. Number 5, you got Yamato up there in the artwork. Love that. Mark the Shark. I don't gotta say anything about this card. We all know what a manga is, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Folks, that was One Piece OP16 English edition by Single Box Random number 12. Yeah, the room's pretty hot tonight, folks.